my channel. As you can see, it's winter. It's snowing like crazy here in Minnesota. In the snow, just to show you what it looks like. And he's over here. Actually, it's not that cold. The wind is blowing like crazy. That's UPS. As you can see, he's having fun here. We have boots and he has a snowsuit. You can see I have a lot of snow on me. Don't go close to the street. It's very, 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 very windy. That's an auto park.
The wind is so strong it can blow you.
It's not ideal to be outside, but well, we got out of the house because it got bored. The bell is ringing from the church.
Two, one, go! I'm most excited now!
Thank you for watching this video. Hopefully you're gonna watch our other videos. Don't forget to give us a like, smash that like button, and continue watching my playlists. Now we're gonna go back home, people. So we're gonna go back home, drink some hot cocoa, and chill.